Hi guys, today I'm about to talk how to link any number or any text to your chart title. The idea behind this is whenever that number or text will change, your title will also change because that is linked to those cells. So to do this, just simply press where the chart title is, click on here, and you will see a black line around the chart title. Now you will go to formula bar and give the formula equal, and for example I want to have this 90% in my chart title, so I will just, after I give the equal sign here, I will go to 90% where the cell is, click on the cell, press enter, and that will become 90% because this is now linked to this cell. In future, if this 90% changes to 80% like that title will also change. So now you see the idea behind it. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching.